Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Snapchat account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this Snapchat. From here you install your Snapchat app. I am already installed, and tap on OK and tap on OK. From here you tap on sign up and tap on allow. From here enter your first name Ali Tech 2023, tap on last name. After that tap on sign up and accept and enter your birth date. From here tap on continue and tap on again continue and enter your password. Set your password and email address. Tap on continue and enter your email address. Enter your email address and tap on continue. Tap on this. From here enter your phone number and tap on continue. From here wait a few seconds. Snapchat send your code. After that tap on continue and enter your add 5 friends and tap on add and select your avatar and tap on continue and select your male and female face and select male face. Tap on this. From here you tap on skip. Tap on skip. From here you as can see create your Snapchat account. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe.